In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create error-free blog posts with Grammarly AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draft, analyze, and polish a blog post so it's clear, concise, and professional. First, open your browser and go to Grammarly. Once you're in, head to Docs. This is your workspace, and it keeps everything organized so you can focus on writing without distractions. From here, choose either New Doc or Upload. Pick New Doc if you're starting from scratch and want a clean page. Choose Upload if you already have a draft saved on your computer and want Grammarly to check it. Both options land you in the same editor, so use whichever suits your workflow today. Inside a new document, begin by adding a clear, descriptive title. Keep it focused on the main topic of your post. A strong title helps you stay on track, and it also sets expectations for the reader. If you're uploading a draft, take a moment to confirm the title matches what the content promises. Next, type your body text or paste in the copy you've prepared. Don't worry about perfection on this pass. Get your ideas down, structure your sections with short paragraphs, and use simple, direct sentences. If you have headings or subheadings, add them now to guide the reader and make the post easier to scan. When your draft is in place, click Grammarly Proofreader. This opens the panel where Grammarly AI analyzes your writing. You'll see suggestions for correctness, things like spelling, grammar, and punctuation, along with clarity, conciseness, and tone. Start at the top and work your way down. Click a suggestion to apply it or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your intent. The key is to read the explanation for each change so you understand why it's recommended. Use this moment to tighten long sentences, replace vague wording, and remove filler. If a sentence feels clunky, look for rewrite or clarity suggestions to smooth it out. Pay attention to consistency. Capitalization, hyphenation, and styling should match across the whole post. If a suggestion changes the meaning, keep your original phrasing. Grammarly is a guide, not a mandate. After you've addressed the list, give your post one more read in the editor. Ensure the flow makes sense, transitions feel natural, and your tone matches your audience. If new issues appear, click Grammarly Proofreader again to refresh the check. That's it. You've created a polished, error-free blog post with Grammarly AI ready for your readers.